In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively split an image using Canva. Whether you're an artist looking to present your work in a unique way or just having fun experimenting with image design, this guide will walk you through each step to achieve a stunning result. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Canva homepage. If you haven't logged into your Canva account yet, go ahead and do so. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating stunning graphics, and today it's going to help us transform an image in an innovative way. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look towards the top of the page for the Create button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Custom Size. This option will allow you to tailor your canvas to the exact dimensions you need. For our purposes today, let's set the dimensions to 1000 by 1000 pixels. After entering these measurements, click Create New Design to open your blank canvas. Now that your design space is ready, head over to the left-hand toolbar and click on Apps. This section of Canva offers a range of extensions to enhance your creative projects. Type Image Splitter into the search bar and open the app once it appears. This is a handy tool that will allow us to effortlessly divide our chosen image. Once the Image Splitter app is open, you'll be prompted to upload the photo you want to work with. Choose your desired image from your computer and upload it to the app. As soon as your photo is uploaded, the Image Splitter will intuitively divide your image into separate sections. This automated process saves time and ensures a perfect split for each component of your image, making it much easier to manipulate and arrange within your design further down the line. And just like that, you're done. Your image has now been split into multiple sections, each on a different page, ready for you to work with separately or as a cohesive piece in a creative project. Feel free to adjust, move, or even edit each section as you see fit. You can experiment with different layouts, add text, or even combine your image with other elements from Canva to create something truly unique. By following these straightforward steps, you've transformed what was a simple image into a versatile, customizable set of image slices. Whether you're using this for social media, a personal project, or professional work, you're now equipped with the knowledge to make your images stand out in an engaging and professional way.